So welcome back. So today we'll learn about string formatting in Python. So in Python we can format a string in multiple ways. So let's say we have a variable name equal to Pratap, and let's say we have a greeting variable, and this will say hello Pratap. If we want to format this string to say, let's say print greeting, and I want to run this. So let's say if you run this, so we get here hello Pratap. So let's say after this I want to assign this name to, let's say, David. If I want to run again, but still I get Pratap here. So how can we fix this? So in order to fix this, what we can use is here an f string in Python. So we can put something here. So this f string should be in front of this quotation, and we can keep this inside the curly bracket. And now this curly bracket inside this string accepts a variable. So here in our case it will be name. So let's run again, but we still have the problem which we encountered earlier, right? So we're not able to assign the name again to David. So to do that, I think what we could do is we could say David here and reassign again. Or there is also another better way to format a string. So let's say we can say greeting2 is equal to, we could say hello, and let's say this way. So here, remember this, we don't have any f here, and now I can say print greeting2 dot format. So I can pass the variable here. Let's just say I here Pratap. Okay, so if we run this code, you'll see we have here hello Pratap. Now if I change this to David, let's say David, then here we have hello David. Okay, so we can have this multiple formatting. Let's say hello and today is Tuesday. So if I say, I can pass multiple arguments here. Let's say David, oh sorry, it should be curly bracket here, and let's say Monday. So if I run this code, you will see that hello David, today is Monday. Let's copy this line and let's paste again. Let's say here Pratap, and let's say here Tuesday. So we get here hello Pratap, today is Tuesday. So we can have as many as formatting or a placeholder as possible here. We can have thousands of that, but for that we need to call this greeting2.format, this function, and pass the arguments as we required. So here this greeting2 requires two templates. Now let's see what happens if I just pass one single template. So let's run this. So here in this case we get an error. It says that this string requires at least two arguments, but you are sending only one. So in this case we have to, it will throw us an error if we send only single. So this is how we work with string formatting in Python. So I hope I'm able to help you with string formatting in Python. See you in another section.